Yo.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
Bacon grease. We're gonna have the
abstract world.
Approaching sound bed noise.
Platformers may be about as basic as you can get when it comes to
consistency to the
sticky grenade bomb grease launcher.
show about it.
The arcade racing.
We're gonna
Do the Mario.
Blue is so nipple stimulation.
bacon grease.
Stimulation.
We're gonna go all out on this. Bacon rope.
So in 19, Capcom finally decided that the NES was
bacon grease.
games in there. Throughout each game, the controls are
Strange, festive, sticky bomb
Start
your arrow. Yes.
I have to rotate the
NES
voice acting.
tight and functional.
Platformers may be about as basic as you can get when it comes to
Blue is so boring.
Grenade. This is my bacon over here. 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 Nobody cares.
Oh yeah.
I was told there would be a.
platformers.
There is no. Platformers. I hate it. Fasten your seatbelts for the exciting new action racing game. M&M's Kart Racing. M&M's Kart Racing breathes new life into the Halloween Zero Kart Racing. M&M's Kart Racing breathes new life into the arcade.
Bacon grease. Nobody cares.